choices with the largest selection of free 5G phones from brands you love, like Samsung. Switch now and save more. Only at Metro.
No one knows where it comes from. But some have it.
Beep beep boop boop beep beep boop boop beep beep boop boop beep beep boop boop. Knowing when your dogs need to use the restroom is key to keeping them safe and healthy. You encourage the restroom by saying pee pee poo poo, pee pee poo poo. Use the same words over and over. When a dog goes to sleep, he's going to need to use the restroom right when he wakes up. After he eats, he's going to need to use the restroom. As long as you abide by these rules, you can potty train any human being. Because it ain't about potty training the person. I mean, the dog is about potty training the person. The dog's gonna do the same thing every time. So as long as you stick with these simple rules, no food after 5 p.m., no water after 5 p.m., and you won't have accidents during the night. And you won't have to wake up over and over during the night to take them out. This is how you set yourself up for success instead of failure. If you start practicing this the day one the puppies are born, right after they get off that tit, you're going to put them on that pad, you say poo poo pee pee. And then every time they wake up after a nap, you put them on that pad, you say poo poo pee pee. And you do this, your dog will be potty trained. So when it's time to move outside, all you have to do is use the magic word, poo poo pee pee, and bam, they're going to go to work. Hey, this ain't a hangout. This is for potty. This is for business only. This is only for business. This is for pee-pee poo-poo only. If you ain't got a potty, then get the hell out off the pot. Piss and get off the pot. As they always say. Piss and get off the damn pot. Player. Piss and get off the pot, player.
Tell your doctor if you are being treated for an infection, have TB, or have been in close contact with someone with TB, have had hepatitis B or C. Serious lung infections, skin cancer, blood clots, and all blood cell counts have been reported with Oxalora. In patients taking
I make this where it comes off. That way they feel like that they achieved something. So then there goes later on is to keep working it until they get it. A work dog is a good dog.
As electric vehicle driving becomes quieter, so do our tires.
A work dog's a good dog. These dogs are tired because I've been working them.
Electrify. Hankook Tire. Official tire of Major League Baseball.
All right, let us get to the tail of the tape for the featherweights. Darren the Damage Elkins and Tristan Boondock Connolly. Elkins 37, Connolly 36. Both fighters 5'10" tall. And we'll see if Elkins can take advantage of what is a 3-inch edge in reach. All right, now for the introductions back to the sides. Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC.
You're so damn cute.
Division. Introducing first, fighting out of the corner. I think Marshall is holding a professional record. 14 wins, 7 losses. He stands 5'10" tall. Weighing in at 146 pounds.
Panda girl.
Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Tristan Boondock Connolly.
That's my panda girl. That's that panda clone. That's Panda Cone. That's Trumpet. That's Hero Joanna. That's Joanna. Hero Joanna. Hero Joanna. You can call her Joanna or Hero. And that one's name is Rocksteady. I'm gonna make her Rocksteady. So Rocksteady, Joanna, Panda, and Trumpet. That's their names. I'm tired of calling them, hey you! Hey you stop! Hey you stop! I usually don't name my dogs because I don't want to get too attached. But these guys deserve to have a proper name. It's really hard to train without it. I put my heart, soul, time, blood, and sweat into these dogs. They saved my life so many times where I was at the end and felt like I couldn't take it no more. And these guys give me kisses and love and support, and Juju and Belly, they know when I'm not doing good, and they won't leave me alone until I give them love and they give me love. And that's what it's about. That's why we care so much about these guys, because they're always there for us. Anytime that we're doing bad or not doing perfect, they're always there for us. To bring a smile on our face. To bring things back into perception. God bless y'all, and all y'all have a blessed day. May all y'all's dreams come true. Man, y'all totally messed up the blanket, didn't y'all? May y'all achieve all your dreams. May you accomplish all your goals. God bless y'all, and peace in the middle.